Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today's video I'm going to show you how to do like a ribbon woven design. Enjoy! Right, so I have already done a base coat of Winter Sea, which is really like nice blue. It's kind of pastel-y, but it's not, it's like got a grey to it. I like it. So I'm going to do like a ribbon design on this using my dotting tool, Serious Black, Snow White, and obviously my No Nails 01 brush. So I'm going to start with the dotting tool. So dipping it in to Serious Black. I'm going to do some dots going down the nail, and this is where my brain needs to work. So just grabbing a little bit of black onto my brush, and I'm going to go on the inside of that dot, up, on the inside of that one, up, and then I'm going to go on the outside, down, and the outside down, and go across bottom to bottom, and this one's top to top. Like, it's taken me a good few times to draw this and to get it in my head how I want it to look. On the inner of that one, outer of that one, and I've just done the basics, so I'm going to pop that under before I ruin the design. I'm just going to pop that under for 30 seconds. So I'm going to pop a little bit of the gel residue, wipe off solution in a little dapping dish, so I can just keep going in and out and cleaning my brush off. So what I'm going to do is start adding a little bit of shading. Literally dab it on, clean your brush off, and then you can go back into the design and kind of move it around. Again, same for this bottom bit, adding a bit of like depth to the design, a bit of shading, make it look 3D. I'm going to do that on the whole design, just start adding where I want shading to go. Then I'm going to go in with Snow White and add some highlight to this design as well. It's like a twist on tartan. I loved tartan last year. Every design had tartan in. This year I'm going to try and do more like ribbons. Just going in with the wipe off solution just to remove some of the product that I've put on, moving it around, so making it look less like brush strokes, more like an actual shadow. You don't want to put too much on because it'll just take all the product away. Like, it's kind of like watercolouring but with gel polish. And once you're happy, pop that under for 30 seconds. Right, so now using Snow White, add a little bit of like a highlight, just using the very end of the brush, keeping it nice and sharp. Clean your brush again. Just going to go in and just move a few of those little white lines. Need a little bit at the top here. Oh, try and straighten my brush out. I had like a little snaggle hair. If you're happy with that, pop that under, another 30 seconds. So now I've done that, I'm going to seal the design in with the Urban Graffiti top coat. And it'll show up all the dark lines and the white lines, and it'll make the design look nice and smooth, where it looks quite bumpy when you're like adding all the colours. It's like shoelaces or like a really warm blanket. Pop that under 60 seconds And there you have your finished design. Obviously if this was on a client, you'd just cuticle oil around the cuticles, make their hands all nice and soft again. And they have a finished like ribbon, like close-up cotton weave design. And I hope you enjoyed it. A little bit more difficult than I was expecting, but I think it's got a really good look to it. So all the products are listed below. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Bye.